Today we're going to show you how to run a remote pay sale in Baymaster software with 360 payments. So go into a ticket that you'd like to charge and then go over and click on Make Payment. And then up top you'll see a button for BM Remote Pay. Click on that. Then you can put in whatever phone number you'd like to send the text to. And all the other information is already filled out. You can change the payment amount if needed, and then you just go down to the bottom and press send. The customer will then get a text with a link. When they click that link, it'll show up an area where they can start filling in their customer information. Once they've filled in all their customer information, they'll put in their credit card, expiration date, and CVV code, and click Pay Now. Once that's approved, then back in the software, you'll get a notification that a payment has been received. So when you click that, then you go back into that ticket, you'll see that the payment has been registered right there. And then in the history, you'll have the payment registered there, and it'll also give you an option to refund or void that payment if needed. Thanks for watching.